This is 2 months, 2 months since the L5 stroke S1 dynamic stabilisation. So first of all, your posture. How do you feel?
Great.
Yeah?
Yes.
Feels nice and straight?
Yeah, it feels,
Yeah, you look a bit taller, so must be
I
good.
didn't need to be
Yeah.
sure.
Okay.
Yeah, the pain across the back when I'm standing up has got diminished
better?
a lot, and then
Okay.
just the everyday stiffness is gone.
Getting better. How about flexibility? Can I
Yeah.
just see how flexible are you? Oh,
Yeah.
oh wow. Good. Oh wow.
But here
God.
it starts pulling back.
No, I don't want you to do more than
No.
that. More.
I used to be able to go all the way down, but
No.
it pulls at the
No,
back.
we don't want to do more than that. How about
Yeah.
sideways?
Yeah, I think that's fine.
Good. Excellent. Right.
Yeah.
And you can kind of stand, balance is all right.
Yeah, balance
One leg
is
at a
fine.
time.
Yeah.
Very good. Excellent. Good.
Yeah.
Okay, excellent. The wound is healing up nicely.